Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to be unboxing the 13-inch 2019 MacBook Pro. This device doesn't belong to me, it actually belongs to a friend of mine. He just got it today and he's letting me unbox it. Now guys, that's what true love is. But before I start getting emotional, let's get to it. This device comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD storage. I'm going to leave the exact model name somewhere around here. In 2019, the touch bar feature is standard, which means that it doesn't matter what version of the MacBook Pro, of the 2019 MacBook Pro you get, you're always going to get touch bar, and that's great. This model that we have here is not the base model, however, this is actually a 2.4 GHz clocked i5 processor, and even the lowest clocked one, the 1.4 GHz one, is a lot faster than the older generation, well, the 2017. It did break my heart to see that part of the plastic tore during shipping. However, it's a nice place to start. The ceremonial removal of the plastic. I feel like when you buy a new device, removing this plastic is even more important than the device itself. And voila! And here we have the 2019 MacBook Pro. We'll just set this aside for a second and look through the box. The contents of a MacBook box doesn't really change over the years, and here is no different. It looks similar to every MacBook box I've seen. However, in here we have some literature, of course, telling you, okay, you bought a new MacBook Pro, and yeah, stickers. Like if there are no stickers, then it's fake. Here we have the USB, the very long USB Type-C to Type-C connector. Very, very good to see that. In here we have a charging brick, and let's just try to see what that is. It's a 3 ampere brick, I think. Yeah, of course, this is the MacBook 2019 MacBook Pro, and there's some plastic all around it. This is basically the same form factor as we've been seeing since 2016. That doesn't change a lot. See, oh, looks really clean. There's some paper here. Looks very, very clean. And comparing it to my old boy here, the 2017 MacBook Pro. This is in silver, obviously. This is in space gray. There's really no difference in the thickness or port placement. However, we have 2 extra Type-C ports in the 2019, which is great to see. Look very, very similar, and you can't tell the difference really. Well, besides the touch bar, obviously. Let's try and see if we can power it on for a second there. Looks very clean. I hope it has some power. Anyways guys, that's been the video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.